Hey folks, welcome back to the channel. Well, all right, if you saw my last video, Kevin had to load this crazy log up on the sawmill. If you didn't see it, I'll drop it in the description down below so you can check it out afterwards. It was pretty crazy, folks. Now, I ain't got to tell you, if you run these mills out in mobile locations like this, you're going to run into this kind of stuff. And you know what? If the customer wants something made out of a log like this, hey, they might actually be able to use it. It could be worth it to them for you to mill it up. So you got to know how to get those up on the deck and actually position them so that you can mill them. Kevin did a great job getting it up there, and now he's got to get it milled down. So, and for those that didn't see the earlier videos, the reason you're watching Kevin run his LT40 wide instead of the old jarhead running his standard LT40 is because my mill is way up north at our off-grid cabin. And this job really required a wide head mill, and I don't have a wide head mill. So I was happy to have Kevin come down and do the job instead of me doing it. And hey, I get to video it for you, so it doesn't matter. Anyway, Kevin got this big old gnarly log up on the deck, and now he's got to get it milled down, got to get it slabbed all the way to the deck. So I'm not going to sit here and yak away about it. I'm going to let you watch it, so let's get her done. Getting some slabs off the deck, and boy, I tell you what, these slabs are gonna get harder, folks. If you enjoy watching people work hard, well, you're gonna get to see it in this video. Now, while I'm at it, how would you like to do me a favor? Hit that subscribe button. It's free, won't cost you anything, but it helps the channel out. And you know what? I really appreciate it if you do that. So thank you very much for that. All right, enough of me talking. Let's get back to milling and a little bit of music. How about some more Track Tribe? Let's get her done. Folks, even the whiteheads are going to run into this problem. Now, I will tell you that there are some ways to push the log over further to the right or the left side, but this one was so wide that it was in fact pushing the limits of even this wide head. And that's why you saw Kevin out there with his chainsaw, just getting a little more room. And here, this is a common problem on LT40s with that little chain drive system. You get a little piece of bark in there and it will stop this mill head dead in its tracks, folks. So it's one of those things you just learn to look for. Mill stops, go check and see if you got a piece of bark or something in the track like that. All right, we're still getting it done. It's getting a little wide. This is a pretty gnarly piece of wood. You can see it, but you know what? Kevin's gonna get her done. Now, I thought I would get back to this black forest oak versus black oak. There seems to be some confusion out there as to what we're milling. This tree, though the customer was told that it was a black forest oak, it's actually just a black oak. And black oaks are very common in the USA. They were brought over to Germany and have been grown and are grown in the black forest. However, this is a standard US, either Californian or Eastern US black oak that somebody just bought a sapling and had it planted in their yard. So not a real mystery. Now, black oak is in the red oak family, and I had some questions about usability. What can it be used for? And the truth is, it is used for all kinds of things, from furniture stuff to ukuleles, folks. It's used for all kinds of things. It is, in essence, red oak. And red oak makes beautiful stuff. I've seen some absolutely gorgeous red oak tables. And you know what? Black oak is in the same family as red oak. I think that your heartwood is a little bit different. It gives you some different grain patterns, that kind of things. And some have also mentioned that it is better to quarter saw to get reflex in the boards that you get when you're milling. However, not every customer wants their lumber quarter sawn, folks. And when you are a mobile sawyer, you're not milling for yourself. You're not there to produce a product that you are going to sell to somebody else, because somebody else might not want that product. So when you're milling for other people on mobile jobs, your job is in part to educate them, sure. Let them know what they can do with lumber. But slabs are very, very popular, and there is nothing wrong with slabbing up a log and giving a customer big, wide, huge slabs that they can make gorgeous bars or coffee tables or whatever out of. And I've done lots of that. So I think it's important to remember, folks, you're not doing it wrong. If the customer wants you to mill it big, flat, and wide, then you're doing it right. Anyway, folks, that's all I've got for you today. More coming soon. Stick around. I appreciate it. And as mentioned earlier, it's free to subscribe. I really appreciate it if you do that. Thanks again, folks. Y'all have a great day. The old Jarhead out.